Hello, welcome to our animal vocabulary video. In this video, you'll learn the names of animals in English, perfectly organized into fun categories like farm animals, wild animals, pets, and so on. Stay till the end so you won't miss any of your favorite animals. Let's get started. Wild animals.
Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant. Leopard, leopard. Cheetah, cheetah. Bear, bear. Wolf, wolf. Fox, fox. Giraffe, giraffe. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Hyena, hyena. Deer, deer. Zebra, zebra. Antelope, antelope. Crocodile, crocodile. Jaguar, jaguar. Panther, panther. Lynx, lynx. Bison, bison. Moose, moose. Reindeer, reindeer. Wild boar, wild boar. Buffalo, buffalo. Cougar, cougar. Meerkat, meerkat. Porcupine, porcupine. Antelope, antelope. Dingo, dingo. Wildebeest, wildebeest. Tapir, tapir. Wallaby, wallaby.
Domestic animals.
Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Horse, horse. Cow, cow. Sheep, sheep. Donkey, donkey. Camel, camel. Rabbit, rabbit. Pig, pig. Chicken, chicken. Turkey, turkey. Duck, duck. Goose, goose. Yak, yak. Mule, mule. Guinea pig, guinea pig.
Small mammals.
Squirrel. Squirrel. Mouse. Mouse. Rat. Rat. Bat. Bat. Mole. Mole. Otter. Otter. Skunk. Skunk. Chipmunk. Chipmunk. Hamster. Hamster.
Reptiles.
Snake. Snake. Lizard. Lizard. Tortoise. Tortoise. Chameleon. Chameleon. Gecko. Gecko. Iguana. Iguana. Newt. Newt. Salamander. Salamander. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizard. Chameleon. Chameleon.
Birds.
Eagle. Eagle. Owl. Owl. Parrot. Parrot. Peacock. Peacock. Sparrow. Sparrow. Crow. Crow. Pigeon. Pigeon. Falcon. Falcon. Hawk. Hawk. Stork. Stork. Flamingo. Flamingo. Pelican. Pelican. Seagull. Seagull. Ostrich. Ostrich. Kiwi. Kiwi. Partridge. Partridge. Swallow. Swallow. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Insects.
Butterfly. Butterfly. Bee. Bee. Ant. Ant. Fly. Fly. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Spider. Spider. Beetle. Beetle. Moth. Moth. Cicada. Cicada. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Centipede. Centipede. Firefly. Firefly. Tick. Tick. Flea. Flea. Scorpion. Scorpion.
Rare animals.
Aardvark. Aardvark. Capybara. Capybara. Armadillo. Armadillo. Sloth. Sloth. Okapi. Okapi. Pangolin. Pangolin. Koala. Koala. Opossum. Opossum. Platypus. Platypus. Echidna. Echidna. Fossa. Fossa. Civet. Civet.
Great job learning all these animal names. Now, tell me, what's your favorite animal? Write it in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you had fun, and subscribe to the channel so you can learn even more cool English words with me. See you in the next video. Bye!